Hi, I hope you're all doing great. Let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G sharp, and the bass note of G sharp. Then, the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then, the F minor composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of F. And on the last line, you can see that I suggest playing it like this. So it's the same thing, we've just moved the C here to play it here instead. And this is the basic shape of the F minor chord. So like this on the last line, and eventually you'll play the C sharp major composed of the C sharp, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of C sharp. And for now, you will play and hold these chords for the indicated number of beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after playing this once, you will be able to move on to the verse with a new chord. Let me show it to you, and you will also have one extra chord, which will be the C minor, composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of C. And this time, I suggest you play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So on 1, bass and chord, and on the 2, the 3, and the 4, you're gonna play the chord alone. You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, and on the word fear, you will play this chord a second time and complete this first verse. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take your past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life. And you reach the first chorus of this song. So let me display the corresponding chord, and you will have one extra chord, the A sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp, which you can also play here if you want to. And to play it like the original, you will need to hold these chords for the indicated number of beats. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? But you could also keep the verse method, and in that case play each of these chords 4 times. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? And now you could move on to the second verse using the same playing method and the corresponding chord, but you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Here's the readapted chart for this new rhythm, and this time I suggest you play like this. You will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the indicated number of times. First without the lyric, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyric. Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, fire. I let, and on the word let, you will play this chord a second time and keep the same playing method. I let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? And you reach the second chorus. So let me show you the corresponding chord, and keeping the same playing method, it should sound like this. So love me like you do, love me like you do. Love me like you do, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? And as indicated, you will play this chord a second time to complete the second chorus. And after this, you will reach a bridge and you will need a new chord. Let me show it to you. And as you can see, you will need to play this first section twice in a row, the first time without vocals and the second time with vocals. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I let you set the pace. So this is where you resume the singing. I let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? And at this point, you can go back to the chorus chart and play it twice in a row using the method of your choice. And you will finish this song with the G sharp major chord. I wish you good luck with this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.